guys, so we are now disassembling the motor, and we are taking everything. Oh, you talking? Sorry. We are taking everything off, and then we're gonna slap it on this one. So obviously taking everything off, which we have started. Alright guys, and here we have a performance oil pump which came with the block the guy gave us, and basically we're just going to be slapping on this boy right here, and should be, well, obviously perform a lot better, so it won't fail on this. It'll be more reliable, because you know that's what Hondas are. We are reliable. So he's gonna slap that on. I'm gonna continue to take this apart, and then right here on this block we have ARP head studs, and we got this gasket came from Speed Factory, which this block is bored out to 85 millimeters, and there's some pretty big pistons. Just a B20b, and should hold some serious power. Alright guys, as you guys seen, or saw, I meant, we got the clutch and firewall off, I got the oil pan off, and T has freaking burnt this clutch. Like, if you guys can see, it is destroyed. It's aftermarket clutch too, but it just got completely destroyed with the 280 horsepower is pushing. Because you guys can see the little, like, I don't know what it's made out of, but whatever it's made out of, you can see it's tearing itself apart, and then you can smell it too. It's right when you took off that plate right there, you smell it. It was burnt. So we're going with a new clutch. I'm not sure what it is. We have it over here. New flywheel. This one feels lighter than the stock one, and the 6-put clutch. Yeah, 6-put clutch. Not sure what brand it is. Oh, it's an Act 6-put. So should be pretty good. Actually, never mind. So we have a new clutch and flywheel right in that box right there. And he bought a clutch from the guy, but that clutch is completely destroyed. So we're gonna use this one right here. It's a competition clutch, 3.5, and should hold quite a bit of power from what I've heard. The flywheel, I got the wrong flywheel, so I'm not sure. We're probably gonna use that one right there that he got from the guy, and should be good for that part of the build. Alright guys, so right now he's putting on the new oil pump. We're gonna be reusing this boy right here. There's no metal shavings in here, so that's a good sign. Gasket. And then this thing. I like it. Alright, now you guys are on my head, and time to put the oil pan on.
Put the nuts on.
Building the fastest Honda in Santa Maria. got all the nuts and bolts on. Now I'm just gonna go over again, make sure they're tight. All right guys, so we're gonna be weighing both of the flywheels to see how much they weigh. And this one is the one we got from the guy that, how much was you running? Like 800 horsepower? Something like that. So we're gonna weigh how much it is. If you turn on, there you go. And boop.
Okay, take it off. Get on.
How much do I weigh?
122.
122.
6. Okay, you see it. Now get on.
122.6.
Get on.
Holy shoot, then. I must be really light then. Wait a second, wait, what? 122.6, wait,
Again?
Excuse me? This thing's broken. What the heck?
122.6, that'll be our baseline.
£5? 5 pounds?
122.
Wait, oh no, I think it's 26.
It's like 10 pounds.
Alright, so this is the 3.5, ooh, stickers. This is the 3.5 clutch that I ordered him. Or, well, he ordered himself. I just sent him the link. But, anyways, here's the clutch. The 3.5. And we could have gone a little bit more aggressive with like maybe a twin disc or whatnot, but...
At the time we didn't know.
Hmm?
At the time we didn't know he was going with the bigger turbo kit.
Yeah, at the time we didn't know. We have the flywheel on. We have the head on now. And he's bolted down to the block. The only thing we're waiting on is just the intake manifold gasket because the old one like ripped. There's just paper, so it just destroyed itself. So I ordered a new one. Should be here next week sometime. It's gonna be sick. All right guys, so we got the head torqued down. So we did it by the book, and there was 3 steps to it. So the first step was torquing down to 22 foot-pounds of torque, and then the second step was 60 foot-pounds, and then with the ARP head stud, it was 80, but we put them at 75 just to be safe. But you guys are probably like, why didn't you put them at 80? Well, just to be safe. And
that's it for today. I think tomorrow we'll start with cams.
Tomorrow, start with the cams.
Cams and then time belt. Water pumps are on. So yeah, cams, timing belt. Once we get that on, we can drop it from there. Throw the clutch on, make the tranny together, and that should be.
We gotta wait for the intake manifold gasket.
Yeah, so we're switching up the intake manifolds from this Gun 2 Pro to this Gun 2 revised version Pro with the bigger throttle body.
So it's gonna breathe a lot better with this piping, because this piping is way bigger than the eBay piping with gigantic intercooler. Compare that baby intercooler. And here we go, boys and girls, if girls watch my videos. But anyways, we're gonna be making some pretty
more power, baby, more power.
VTEC. Oh, that's gonna be it for tonight. See you guys next time.